As a parent, we look out for products that are safe and can simplify our parenting. Pigeon has been one of the brands that I trust throughout the years because their products are safe and gentle for my kids. From feeding bottle to bottle and accessories cleanser, baby laundry detergent, and now with wipes. Pigeon offer variants of wipes from different purposes. First is Pigeon Water Wipes, which is made from 99% pure water and absolutely safe for sensitive and delicate skin. Second is Pigeon Antibacterial Wipes, which is made for cleaning toys and other baby accessories. It is also used or can be used to clean surfaces to avoid contamination of bacteria, germs, and viruses, especially when we are out of our home. And lastly, the Pigeon Hand and Mouth Wipes, which is perfectly for a quick clean up before and after cleaning. Great news! It's Pigeon Super Brand Day Sale on Lazada starting today, October 7 up to October 10. Enjoy up to 70% discount on Pigeon items. Buy one take one deal on Pigeon specialty wipes. Wait, there's more! For every minimum purchase of 1,000 worth of Pigeon items, you'll get free EQ diaper and Pigeon Hand and Mouth Wipes. Hurry! Check the very wide selection of Pigeon products now and enjoy great deals. Link on description box. Thank you for watching.